Good morning, everybody. This is Cindy Hartzell with Hartzell Confidence-Based Horsemanship, and it is a balmy 12 degrees this morning. And what I wanted to share with you is how I grain my horses. And everything I do, I strive to have a partnership and a team relationship with my horses. I don't want anybody being pushy or rude. So I hope you'll join me for a little bit of what it's like here on the ranch behind the scenes, feeding morning grains. So the first pasture I'm feeding this morning is Dakota's pasture. We have Dakota and Katniss and Gino over there on the other side of the fence. And when I open the gate, I want my horses to move away from me. I don't want them to charge me or push up against me. My cameraman in the gate as well. And I often will stop and give everybody a little treat, reminding them that they've got to mind their manners. They need to wait their turn. Everybody's going to get a turn. Come up here and give Uncle Gino. He's the oldest guy here on the ranch. Give him a little bite. And then I want my team to walk politely with me. I don't want any pushy, disrespectful behavior. We've worked hard to make sure. This is Katniss. She's our youngster. She wants to know what Bruce is doing with the camera. She's like, hey, everybody. She's my youngest Mustang. She is hopefully my golden years prospect. As I get older, I'm hoping to ride until I'm 80. And I'm hoping Katniss is going to be the one that does that for me. If you'll notice, Gino went into his shelter, waiting for his grain. Dakota and Katniss wait politely while I give them their grain. Dakota is kind of Katniss's auntie, so they politely eat together. And then I come over here to Gino, and he's politely waiting. There's no reason our horses should be crowding us and digging their heads into the buckets and being just naughty and disrespectful. It's a team. So I hope that you guys found some value in this, and you can do this with your horses as well. It just takes a little bit of patience, a lot of leadership, a lot of communication and connection. And I would love to hear your comments below on what you thought about this. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below with your questions, and I will get back to you. Thanks for tuning in, everybody.